Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Differences between semi-closed and closed circuit. In semi-closed circuit, flow is high. In closed circuit, flow is low. So closed circuit is called as low flow anesthesia. In semi-closed circuit is less economical because it is costly, whereas closed circuit is economical. Semi-closed circuit pollution is very high, whereas in closed circuit pollution is very low. In semi-closed circuit humidity is not preserved. In closed circuit humidity is preserved. In semi-closed circuit is lightweight. Closed circuit is heavyweight. Semi-closed circuit work of breathing is less, whereas in closed circuit work of breathing is more, and as a result closed circuit is suitable for only controlled ventilation. Hypercapnia is less in semi-closed circuit and hypercapnia is more in closed circuit.
thank you and thank you for watching.